Here at Gainsborough Healthcare Group, we are proud manufacturers of assisted baths. We've been in this industry for more than 35 years, and we're operating here in the West Midlands in our factory. Gainsborough Healthcare Group has always been an industry leader in specialist bathing solutions. Our pioneering approach, coupled with a duty of care to vulnerable bathers, has compelled us to enhance our products so they can provide a higher level of hygiene. This is how and why our partnership with BioCote began many years ago. Including this additive within our manufacturing process means that every bath surface is protected against a wide range of microbes, including bacteria, mould, and even some viruses. As BioCote is an integral part of the material of the bath itself, it cannot be wiped off or worn away, and it lasts for the lifetime of the bath. Together with BioCote, we have today developed a game-changing proposition in the assisted bathing market, a partnership that both strengthens product quality and enhances hygiene.
BioCote technology has been manufactured into materials for over 25 years. During the course of those 25 years, those materials have been tested against a broad range of microbes. Some of those microbes, some people might recognise, names such as MRSA, E.coli, Aspergillus niger, or influenza A, which is also H1N1.
At Gainsborough Healthcare Group, our main focus is the health and safety of the vulnerable bathers who depend on the baths that we manufacture for them every day. With BioCote antimicrobial technology, which is completely integrated in the way we manufacture the baths, we are able to offer our vulnerable users completely peace of mind.
BioCote is absolutely a market leader when it comes to providing antimicrobial solutions to the marketplace. We're all working together to provide the best possible product to market that we can. It's what really aligned us in the beginning with Gainsborough Bathing, and that message and that story has just evolved during our partnership for that to become Gainsborough Healthcare Group, and it's been an absolute privilege to support them in their journey with that.
Microbes, they are tiny living organisms that are invisible to the human eye. So they're microscopic, which means you'll need a microscope to see them. And they can be found all around us, whether that be in the air, on surfaces, or even in our bodies. Some examples include bacteria, mould, fungi, and even viruses. So BioCote essentially is there to control the presence of microbes on a treated surface, and it does so by using a multimodal effect. By this we mean that it targets microbes in numerous different ways at the same time. For example, it will damage a cell wall, it will disrupt essential functions such as energy production, and it will interfere with the microbe's DNA, which stops it from reproducing. And after all of this, it eventually causes the cell to die.
BioCote technology is proven week in and week out across various different materials to reduce the levels of bacteria on a surface by over 99%.
Hiya, my name's Stuart. I'm the production manager at Gainsborough Healthcare. I've been with the company now for 21 years. Everything that we do is tested by BioCote themselves. We get a certificate of conformancy from BioCote. We also get a certificate for any testing that they do, which is all online in the portal.
Our shared values of supplying high quality, reliable and customer focused solutions perfectly complement each other.
From the antibacterial side of it, it's got to be an advantage going into nursing homes, into hospitals. It's making the bath and the product a lot safer. Having been with the company for 21 years, you do start to care about the end user. I mean, we're all getting older. I've got grandparents, I've got parents, and they're in that category. You know, so we're looking after the elderly exactly the same as we do our own parents, really.
Strategically, BioCote is extremely important for us. And if you think about it, the world is having to be extremely cautious about viruses and germs and bacteria these years. And even before viruses became pandemics, we were actually already working with BioCote on antimicrobial technology. So we are ahead of the curve, and we are in a unique position because we are the only manufacturer of assisted bathing equipment that are actually able to offer antimicrobial technology. At Gainsborough Healthcare Group, we always have the bather in focus. Nothing we do is not centered around the bather. And that is the mindset everyone who works for Gainsborough Healthcare Group has. We are not just building a bath, we are not just putting metal together and creating glass fiber. We're actually delivering life-enhancing bathing, which means that people who aren't able to do what most people take for granted, namely the dignity of personal hygiene, is all of a sudden possible when you have a solution from Gainsborough Healthcare Group. And we're quite humble about that, but that's our reason to be. Manifesting and reinforcing our market leader position requires that we team up with market-leading technology providers like BioCote's. For further details on antimicrobial baths manufactured by us, give us a call or send us an email. Thank you.